Let's look at future tense. Let's start by looking at simple future tense. And there are two forms you can use to express the simple future tense. One is the helping verb will, and then your main verb. The other way is with the helping verbs be, going, to, which you will pronounce be gonna. Be gonna do, be gonna see, be gonna, whatever your main verb is. It's very helpful to use that reduced, non-stressed pronunciation on be gonna. It will help you remember these are the helping verbs. So, how are they different? Well, the use of will is used when two people are making an agreement. One is offering to help, one is offering to do something, one is making a promise, one is giving a choice. But this is when two people between them are making an agreement about the future. The other use of will is when you're making a prediction based on what you know or what you think. It's a belief, a thought, an idea. What about be gonna? Well, be gonna expresses that one person has made the plan. This is what one person chooses what they want to do. It's not an agreement between two people, it's one person's wishes. Be gonna also is used for predictions or expectations, but this is based on something in the environment, something that they can see, evidence, in other words. Let's look at some examples with will. All right, will, remember, between two people, an agreement, an offer, a promise. Or it's a prediction. Remember, between two people does not mean that two people are talking to each other. It means that these two people are making an agreement about the future. Or a prediction based on what you think. All right, here's one. I'll help you carry that. Oh, one person is offering to help another person. Will you marry me? I will. Yes, this is a promise, an offer and a promise between two people. People will live longer. Well, I think they will. This is my idea. This is my thought. That's why I choose will. I will be 75 in this year, in the future. Well, I believe that I will be 70. I believe that I will live that long. However, things can happen. I'm not sure if I will live that long, but I think I will. I will take care of my parents when they get old. Is this a promise? You're making a promise to your parents. Or is this what you think, what you believe? It could be either one, and it doesn't really matter. It's one of those two. You would choose will if it's a promise that you're making or something that you think you will do. The population will keep going up. Well, it will keep going up. That's what I think. That's what I believe based on what I know. Will can be negative. Will not. Short form won't. I won't live with my kids when I retire. What does this person, why did this person use will not? It's what they think will happen in the future. What'll you have to drink? Notice how soft and how short the helping verb sounds. What'll you have to drink? Well, one person is maybe a waiter at a restaurant is making an offer. Whatever the person wants to drink, the waiter promises that they will bring it. Now, let's look at be gonna. Be gonna. Remember that it is one person's plan, their choice, their wish, what one person wants to do, or a prediction based on evidence, something we see in the environment. I'm going to relax tonight. Yes, this is one person's plan. They are not making a promise about this. They are not offering. This is what they want to do, and they're telling you what they want to do. I'm going to look for a job as soon as I graduate. Yes, this again is your choice. This is your plan. This is what this person wants to do. People are going to live longer. Now, this is similar to in the future, people will live longer, but there's a difference. The evidence is medicine keeps improving. If I bring the evidence into the sentence, I can use gonna, be gonna. Oh, those kids are going to need help with that computer. I probably see the kids on the computer. I can see something's going wrong. This is evidence. It's going to be warm today. Again, evidence. Maybe I look at my phone and I see the weather. Maybe I look out the window and I see the sun, but I see something and I make a prediction. I'm not going to cook. I'm going to go to a restaurant instead. Choice. One person's plan. I'm never going to get divorced. Is this the person's choice or is it Yes, this is a choice. There's nothing that you can see that will tell you about getting divorced or not. That's not the kind of physical thing that you see. It is your choice about your actions in the future. So let's try a few. Help. One person is offering to help. I will help. I'll help. In the future. Well, this is based on a thought or an idea about what the future will be like. Will. I know what you're going to do Saturday. You're going to play video games. Now, you might say will because two people are talking. That isn't right. You use will when two people are making a promise or an offer or agreement between them. This isn't an agreement. This is one person telling the other one, I know your plans. I know what you want to do. You're going to play video games. This spring, I'm going to go. I'm going to go. Notice how the pronunciation helps you here. The main verb is go, right? Well, go and going are very similar, but gonna is a helping verb. I'm gonna go. I'm telling you about my plan. When I'm old, I'll be rich. Now, if you have something physical, like if you have a huge amount of money in your hands, if you have the winning lottery ticket, you can tell me I'm going to be rich because there is something physical. But this sentence means it's my idea, it's my belief, my thought, I'll be rich. It's based on a thought. When I get home, I'm going to have a nice cold beer to drink. This is what I want to do. I am not promising you. I'm not making an agreement with you. It's just what I want to do. Person A says, I know you love coffee, so... Well, person A is offering. I'll make you a fresh cup. I'll make you some coffee. What do you think? I am offering to you to make you a fresh cup. And person B says, oh, wonderful. I'm going to drink it as soon as you get... This is what person B wants to do. They choose to drink it. They're not promising. This is just what they want to do. The sun is bright. I think it's going to be hot. I see the sun. I'm even telling you that I see the sun. That's gonna. A prediction based on what I see. If I live to be 100. If I live to be 100. Okay. What do you think about being 100 years old? What do you know? In sentence 10, the person is expressing, I believe that 100-year-old people go to the doctor. So I believe. That's my prediction based on my belief. I give you a call. Two people are making an agreement. This person is promising or offering to call. I need a coffee. Well, this is not a promise. This is one person wants to. How does it sound? I need a coffee, so I'm going to go to Starbucks. Notice a coffee is short for a cup of coffee. It's like a nickname, short form, a cup of coffee. We. So, is this a promise between two people? We? No. This is people are making their plan together. They're not promising, they're not helping each other. They're just telling you, we're going to go to a nice restaurant. Somebody wants to do it. It doesn't have to be a person. My dog also makes choices. My dog can fall asleep when he wants to fall asleep. So I think he's going to go to sleep. I think he's gonna go to sleep. Again, the main verb go is clear. I'm gonna go to Starbucks. We're gonna go to a nice restaurant. He's gonna go to sleep. Now, will and be going to are both used for predictions. What kind of prediction? Let me give you a couple hints. If the prediction uses will, that means the prediction is based on a thought, an idea, some knowledge, some belief, some research. It's not based on something physical I see in front of me. And if we make a prediction with will, we often use a word like might, could, maybe, probably, if, to show the facts could change, my beliefs could change. So, if I win the lottery, I will be rich. What will you do this summer? I don't know. Maybe I will get a job. Maybe I will. Never say, maybe I'm gonna. Now, this can be a warning. If your friend drives very fast, you'll get a ticket. You will get a ticket someday. Be careful or you'll cut yourself. I know that a knife is dangerous. I know this. You will cut yourself is my prediction based on what I know. It'll rain somewhere in the world. I know this about the world. There is weather all over the world. What about a prediction with be gonna? Remember, evidence means there is physical proof. There is something in the environment, something the speaker or writer can see. They will tell you, probably in the sentence, they will tell you what they see. And if it's in the environment, it might happen in the immediate future. That means like almost now. So if you're driving and you hear the siren, whew, whew, oh, you're going to get a ticket. You're going to get a ticket. Means right now. The baby's going to cut herself. The baby has a knife. Oh no, she's going to cut herself right now. It's going to rain tonight. I'm looking at my phone. I see the news. It's going to rain. Here's another warning I want to give you. Present continuous with going is very similar to be gonna. If you hear it, it's easier to hear the difference, but if you write it, they look so similar. So, present continuous, I'm going to the store. Going. What's the action? You're going. Future with be gonna, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go to the store. Present continuous. He's going to the gym. He's going there to work out. Why is he going there? To work out. But he is going right now. On the other hand, he's going to exercise next year. Yeah, he's going to exercise later. He's going to exercise tomorrow. He's going to work out. He's going to work out later today. He's going to work out in the future. What about this? I have a question mark because I'm not sure about the grammar. The world temperature is going higher. Or the world temperature is going increasing. That is bad grammar. I don't like that at all. I can use future. The world temperature is going to get higher. And this sentence is especially good if I tell you my evidence. The world temperature is going to get higher if we continue to use cars that pollute. The world temperature is going to increase if we don't control greenhouse gases. The world temperature is going to increase if we don't make an effort to change. Those sentences are good because I'm telling you my evidence right in the sentence. I hope that this is helpful. Notice the main verb over here, it can be go. I'm gonna go. That's okay. Or it can be any other verb. I hope that is helpful. I know that this is tricky. We are going to spend several weeks working on this. Thanks a lot.